All right, now, technical analysis. This is the breathing pattern of the market. You have heard people say this before. All right. Are you seeing what I'm drawing?
Yes, sir.
You see
Yes.
this particular structure you are seeing here. This is the fundamental movement of the market. There is no market in the
Yes, sir.
world, no matter what it is, as long as it involves charts and line. This is how it moves. You hear me? As long as it involves
Yes.
line, candlesticks, charts, as long as it is called charts, this is how it moves. Once it's trending up, it's moving this way. And once it's trending down, trust me, it will move this way. You know, even a day old can tell you that, oh, this thing is going up. This one is going down, right?
It's going down. Yes. Yes.
Even a day old can tell you that. But there is more to these things than just be it. But this is the basics. And how will you know that this market will go up from here or from here, create this one, come down, create this one, come down, then to create this one? After what here? What will now happen here? Can you give me?
Mm.
What will you expect from this particular level?
Calm down.
It's to come down, right? And if it's down, what will you expect?
Yes.
Is to go up.
Go up.
Now, this basic principle is how the market breathes. There is nothing, what's it called? There is no specialized way of how the market moves and all that. This is the basic principle. Once you grab this, trust me, you are in for the ride already. You just need to add little tricks to it, which should be taught along the line. Now, this is how the market moves. And also, the market moves also in this format. What is it doing? It's ranging, Abi.
Yes. Ranging market.
Is there looking at this thing, is there direction here? No. Is it going up? No. Is it coming down?
No.
No. What is it
No.
doing? It's just within a consolidation.
It's ranging.
It's ranging.
Yes. Consolidating.
All right. So, but talking about this, the best way, anytime you see this type of market, what will you do? You cross it. You don't trade in this kind of environment. This is not where we belong. The trend is the only place we trade. Whether it's going up or is what? Coming down.
Coming down.
That's all. This is our own environment. This particular one and this particular one, this is the only thing we look for. Once we see this, we close the chart and go and have our fun somewhere else. There's no trade for that day. Are we good? So, permit me to get rid of this. Now, since these two type of market structure is what we always look for in the market, then we need to understand how they actually behave and moves. Take, for example, every market. What is their movement? How is a trend created? It goes up. Once it goes up, it comes down. It goes up. And this up that it will exceed above this level here. Can you see this top here? It exceeds this level. It will retrace back, push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, push. This is how the market moves. And what is it creating? We call this one a higher high, and we call this one what? A higher low. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Are you hearing me, please?
Yes.
This is how it moves, right? It creates a higher high. It retraces back to create a higher low. Then this high must be higher than this level here. All right, to be called a what? A higher high.
Higher high, okay.
All right. Then what is this level called? A higher high. And where is this? What is this place called? A higher low. So this level must be higher than this level to be called what? A higher high. What it means is higher than the previous high. That's just what it means. There's no specialized way of listening. And what it means, what this one means is it's still called a higher low. Because if you have a higher high, you have a higher low, you have a higher high. It's just a pattern on how it moves. Okay?
Okay.
So with this, you already understand how the market moves across all time frames. Every time frame. We're going to dwell more on time frame correlations. Okay?
Okay,
Across all time frame, I'm having noise from the background. I don't know whose side is from. Okay? This is how the market moves. Every single market, be it crypto, forex, stocks, indices, synthetic indices, all of them. This is how they move. Future, all. This is the pattern to which every market moves. If I may ask you, which place is best to buy and which place is best to sell? The question is, will you buy here or you prefer to sell at this point? Do we understand?
You buy. You buy.
Eh?
Yeah.
buy
We
the
understand.
high low and sell at the high.
Thank you. You read that PDF well. You sell from the top, you buy from the bottom. You sell from the top, you buy from the bottom. You sell from the top, you buy from the bottom. That is it. Economics will tell you, when supply is high, what happened to demand?
Demand will be low.
The demand will be low.
High.
Yes.
When the demand, the higher the supply, have you forgotten
The
the law?
lower the demand.
That's it.
Yeah.
So
Yes. I remember.
what we do is all what we read in school now. We have not forgotten. What we do is
Yes.
we buy when the price come down and we sell when the price has gone up. Take for example, if you buy Bitcoin when it was sold for $10, Abi. If you buy Bitcoin when it was sold for $10, and the price rise up to when it's not being sold for $50 US. What will you happen? You sell it. And the more people
sell, yes.
The more people sell from this point, the lower the price come down. Pending when almost everybody have sold it out, the price will start going up again because people will start buying and you'll not see it to buy again. And once it goes up, people will start selling it again, the price will come down and the price will still go up. This is how in everyday life, this is how it is. Anything you are selling at all. Take it for example, if you are buying rice, you buy it you buy it in a place where the price is low. And you sell in a place when a price is high. It's just the normal day-to-day life. Try to relate it. Okay? Now, likewise, you sell when the price is very low, and you sell when the price is very you buy when the price is very low, and you sell when the price is what? High. It's the same scenario, and it will keep repeating itself because it will keep breaking it. Because if this place go below this one, the price has go below normal, people will start what? Buying. Yes. And once people start buying, it will start retracing back. And once it break below this again, like this, that means price has gone below normal. People will start what? Buying. Right? And the price will come up. Once people start buying, the price will come up. It will be so expensive. What is so expensive? Will people still be buying? No.
No.
People will start people will start selling. Sell it. This is how trend is being created in the market. Your job as a trader is to know when the price is up and when the price is what? Down. That is one of your primary aim as a trader. Being able to recognize that, okay, at this point, this price. Now, let me come raw. You look at this first higher high that's here. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Are we? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I can hear you.
All right. This first price that you're seeing here, imagine that people sold from this particular level here. When the price rises up, probably they bought it down here, and the price rises up to this place, they sold. When it go back to the same people start buying it from here, imagine the price now rise above what they bought before. What would you expect them to do? They'll still sell that particular thing. So down this level, they'll buy it, the price rise up, they sell it, and the price, and this is how trend is being created in the market. I know that this forex market work with human mindset. The same way you reason, that's how you see it printed on charts. There is no specialized way. This is the genesis of how the market moves. So if you want to buy, you prefer to buy it here. Sorry. If you want to buy, you prefer to buy it here and what? Take your profit above what? This level. Is that not so? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you want to buy, you prefer to buy it down this place. Then you take your profit, you now sell it. That's taking profit when it gets up to this place. And you wait when it comes down again, you buy, and you what? Take profit. Can you see how the trend now move up, and it keep going like that? It will now create a trend in the market.
Yes.
This is where the error is. Most people that just went into trading, if you are not shown, there is no way you'll be able to recognize it. This is how the market moves. So when it is trending up, it will be better if you are a buyer in the market. You know why? Because this leg is always shorter than what? This leg. This leg will always be shorter than what? This leg. And it keeps rising and printing that particular market. So when, just imagine you buy from this level, from this zone. What happened? Before you get to this place, you have make like 10 times or 20 times of the exact amount you bought it. And this can happen within 24 hours in a day. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
So this is the genesis of trend development in the market, the basics, the fundamental. If you don't grab this, there's an issue. And what makes it a trend is when it break above this high, it break above this high, it break above this high. Can you see it? What makes it a trend is when it break above all of this high. Take, for example, okay, you have something like this. You know, once you get into the market, this is how it will look like. This is rough, right? Is this smooth like the previous one? No.
No.
These people bought it here.
No.
The price rise up to this point. Abi, it come down. Some people sold here. Other bought here. Some sold here. Other bought here. And it keep rising. But if you check where this market is still going up, do you know that? Now, which place will now be your higher low and which one will be your higher high? That's the question. Is this place the higher high? This point, is it a higher high? No, it's not. Why? Because it has not break above this one here. So until it break above, then that is when it is now called what? A higher high. So until we take out this high, we can now call this point what? A higher high. And we can now call this one what? A higher low. Now, is this point a higher low? Yes. Why? Because there's a pullback from this level down to this place, and it now reach to break above this zone here. The next target is to sell back and what? Buy back up here. This is how trend is being developed in the market. I don't know whether it's clear enough. Is it clear enough?
It's clear.
Eh?
It's clear.
Are we all together? Is it clear enough?
It's clear. It's clear.
This is how the market moves, creating series of higher highs and what? Higher lows in the market. Until you break above, it is not called a higher high, and until you break below, it's not called a lower low. So the whole thing you have to take from this lecture is every market moves in this form, creating higher highs, higher low, higher high. Do we understand this little simple concept?
Yes,
Eh?
Yes.
Are we good?
Please come again. You said
Do you understand this simple concept that every market that break above the previous market, more often than not, it will retrace back to create a lower low. And once it retraces back to create a lower low into a certain level, it will go to create a higher high. And this is how a trend is formed in the market. A trend is formed in the market in this fashion. So once you now have this, even common line, you can draw like this and it will be okay. Are we? Do we understand? So that you know that the market is coming back to this level one day. The market is coming back to this level one day. The market is coming back to this level one day. Now, will you buy when it is up this particular side here, this exact point here? Will you buy it here? No. Why? That is, the price is still too high.
No, sir.
You will still wait for the price to retrace back down, then you buy it up. You will not like to buy this market here. You wait for the price to come down, then you buy it up. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do we understand?
Mm.
Do we understand this particular thing? Just know that the whole lecture, this is an introductory part. You have not yet gone deep. We are going there.
Yes,
But
sir.
I'll take you step by step on how you get it done. Sorry, let me get rid of this. It's too messed up. Okay. Do you understand this concept now? So anytime you come into the market, what are you looking for? Higher high and what? Higher low. Higher high and what? Higher low. Higher high and what? Higher low. If anybody posts any screenshot from any trade and tell you that he bought up here and the price goes up, that person does not have a long time perspective trading the forex market, because along the line, the price will retrace back to tap them up and still continue in that same direction. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Am I speaking too big?
Hello.
No.
I'm being simple enough, right?
Yes, sir.
But overall, how is the market moving? This is how price delivers. This is how price delivers. There is no specialized way of it. So if it's moving like this, then our job as a trader is to look for these lows here to get into the trade, this low here to get into the trade, this low here to get into the trade, this low here to get into the trade. Do you understand? Because if it's going up, we would like to buy and not sell. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to check on, because we have been drawing line too much and all that. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this? What will you call
Yes,
this
sir.
point?
Yes.
A high, a low, a lower low, a higher low to this point. It pull back here, it continues down. It pull back here, it continues down. It pull back here, it continues down. Can you see what I've mapped out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see that we have not even gone far. Let me take this thing. Let me take the whole of this and move it up. This is when the market is what, trending down. You know, it's looking somehow. If we arrange it, it will now look perfect to the way it should be. Is this a trend? Yes. Where is it going? Down. Can you see? Is it now making sense to you?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Is it making sense that you only sell from this level, sell from this level, sell from this level, sell from this level, and never buy? Why? Because the market is what? Going down. And the moment you have this, if you take above, if you go to break above this one, what has it done? It has created a what? A higher high instead of what? A higher low. What you should not expect is for it to come down and what? Be giving you this form of pattern. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So from the moment that this market break above this one, what will now come to your mind? The only thing that should come to your mind is, this trend has changed. It has changed already. What should we be doing?
Yes.
I should be looking for a way to buy instead of what? Selling. So you look for a higher low. You look for a higher low to buy. You look for a higher low what? To buy. That's all. From here, you were selling. Now you are now what? Buying. This is the same thing that happened here.
Right.
The moment it took this one high, it break above this one here, what do you start saying? It start creating what? Can you see? And it keep rising. Is it different from what we said here?
So it's exactly.
No.
Is it different?
No, it's exactly.
No.
So from here, if you are here and you are sitting this place, what will you do? You will buy from this zone. What are you expecting? For the price to what? To go up.
Right.
This is the basic principle. This is how the market moves. There is no specialized way. If you understand this one, every other concept that I'll be bringing in along the line will be so easy. But you must understand this particular thing. If it will take us 3 weeks or 4 weeks to get this thing done, it's better we get it right. If the foundation is not laid well, there will be a problem along the line. So, take for example, can someone predict what will happen next year for me?
Next year from now.
What will happen here now? What are we expecting? Are you seeing it well?
The trend will change.
Yeah?
We'll be again.
There's a break of structure here, right?
Yeah, the trend will change.
Okay. What will I expect now? My expectational order flow is just for me to buy here to go up to this manner. With this alone,
Yes.
I can give a longer term perspective that I'm looking forward to take profit exactly this level here. Why? Because this market has been bullish for long. It's been creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. What should I expect? Higher highs. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you understand? From this alone, even though from this small perspective alone, you can tell me vividly that this price is more likely to go up from this particular zone than to go down. So I would rather buy than sell. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is more or less like a trade signal now that we can tell somebody, if you have liquidity enough, buy from this zone, but put your stop loss below here and look forward to take profit above this level. Is it that difficult to do? Eh?
No, sir.
It's not that difficult to do, but there are more to it. For me to be sure that this trade will leave this place and go up, will leave here and go up to this level, then that's when I'll now talk of what I must see to enter a trade. What am I looking for? Is there imbalance here? What is my entry criteria? And once that one is met, done and checked, I'll now go and click the buy button and fold my hand and go and have my fun anywhere. Why? With the intention I'm coming back to take my profit. There is no doubt about that. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
You rather buy when it's going up than what? Sell. And you rather sell when it's coming down than what? Buy.
Buy.
Okay. I'm just showing you a series of examples. You have a trending market here, do we?
Yes.
There's a trending market here. Once we have a breakout structure from this level, what am I expecting? To keep buying until the trend change. And most often than not, before a trend change, if a market is trending up, before the trend change, it will come to a point it will start consolidating. You are now confused. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going on? Then you now see something like this. What will you now do? Is to start selling back to this zone. Or Do you understand? Eh?
Yes, sir.
And was it trending down? Something of this form. Before that trend will change, it will come to a point, it will start consolidating, where you will now be confused. You will now see something like this. What is it now telling you? I'm going up now. I'm tired of what? Going down. You'll now be looking forward to what? Buy and what? Buy it up here. This is how the market moves. Do you understand? I'm giving you enough examples so that it will sink into your head on how it moves. If you see this particular trend
Yes,
here,
sir.
you see the way it was coming down.
Yes,
Eh? You see the way it was coming down.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at what happened here. What is happening in this zone? It's just consolidating. It's not doing anything at all. What do you now see? You now see a break.
Yes.
At this moment, you know that what? This thing don't change you. What will you now do? It will start buying. Can you see how it moves? The moment you change,
Buying,
you start buying. And that's all.
not selling. Yeah.
So you see, within this short period of time, see how the market moved. It moved from a phase of trending to a phase of consolidation. It initiate out, start trending back up again. So the whole of the general market, it only have three movements. Either it is trending up, or is consolidating, or is what? Trending down. Those are the three phases you have in the market.